Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we are going to be looking at how you can extract numerical data from images to create charts in ThinkCell. So if you have charts, for example, charts that I have from this Statista website, and you want to be able to extract the values that we have here to create a new chart in ThinkCell, this operation is possible. So you do this by coming to this element, then selecting chart, and you're going to select stacked column chart since the chart we want to extract from is stacked column chart, and then we create a stacked column chart here. So once our data sheet opens, what we'll do is to come to this extract and paste numerical data, then click on it, and then we move to our Google Chrome where we have the Statista chart. So we are going to drag this chart scanner over the chart that we want to scan, which is this, and then we expand to be able to capture the entire chart. Now we allow it to scan. Once it's done scanning, you're going to see a green line before the category labels, and then the series is going to have these red lines. So what we'll do is to click on this fill data sheet. Once that is done, we can clear this series 1 and then select these values, then click on add or remove percentage formatting, since the values we need should be in percentage. Then we now move to our chart and see what we have. So you can see that from this chart we have 62, and if we go to our Statista, it is 52. We have 58 and 57. We also have 32 here. If we look here, we see that we have it just the way it should be. Now, to be able to have our percentages, we are going to click on this 62 and then use Shift key to select all of them. Then from this sum of absolute, we are going to select sum of percentage. And you can see now we have successfully formatted it to percentages, and we have exactly what we have extracted from Statista. And this is just how easy it is to extract numerical data from existing charts that are in your image to ThinkCell. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.